Good morning everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to cook oatmeal because oatmeal to cook the way I'm cooking, no milk, no butter, no sugar. So I'm gonna show you how to cook the way I'm cook. Very easy and delicious. Okay, let's go start it. Okay, first my oatmeal right here and the water boiling right now. I'm gonna go ahead cook for 2 people. This is my breakfast. This cup right here I measure from this cup. 1 cup. 2 cups for 1 person. Now I'm gonna cook for 2, 3, 4. Alright guys, cook for 10 minutes. 10 minutes. And this way of cooking is very healthy. No sugar, no flavor, no milk, no butter. If you like, it's up to you, but I don't like I don't like milk, I don't like butter, so I don't like sugar. So I'm gonna cook this way. Lower the heat down after that. Alright, so I'm gonna cook for 10 minutes. Right now time is 10:19 and be 29. Alright, start boiling right now. Cook slow, because they're gonna spill. This is healthy, very healthy eating breakfast. Everybody need that. You know, I know everybody know about oatmeal, but do you take action or not? I'm taking action right now because they make me go to the bathroom so easy and feeling good inside, and I'm not hungry. I am not hungry, guys. When I eat this one, like say 10:30, I'm gonna eat this in 10:30 until 3 or 4 o'clock. I am not hungry. I know I'm gonna lose weight because right now I'm gained 130. I used to be 105, so I need to lose. And I'm gonna go ahead concentrate to myself and eating this oatmeal every morning breakfast. I'm show you how to make a collagen oatmeal breakfast to make your skin beautiful also. But this is what I eat whole 1 week already, and I love it. So I cannot leave it out right now. Right here, the form right here, I'm gonna take it out because I don't need that. So easy to cook, guys. Try it because it's so cheap. I buy a big bag like this about $8. I think I remember about $8 from Costco. And organics. Look at this. Beautiful. You know, I know everybody know about oatmeal, but do you take action to your health or not? This is the thing, you know, and I know that too, but I didn't know how to cook before. I don't know how to cook because I think this is oh, you cook oatmeal, you can be like have butter, milk, or sugar, something like that. I don't like no sugar, that's why. So I said, oh, I don't want to cook. If they talk like that, I don't want to cook. Now I say, you know what, if I love the rice soup, I will make this is like a rice soup the way I want it. That's what I'm doing right now, guys. Believe it or not, I'm doing right now, and I love it. It's just so simple. Now time to put salt. I tapping salt in here. Okay, salt. This is sea salt. That's it, not much. And just make you taste. That's it, guys. This is my ingredient. Okay, so easy. Yeah, I just want to share because eat oatmeal makes stomach happy and easy going, and it's just happy. Especially, you know, if you can eat this is like for nighttime, you go sleep just happy stomach. And I'm feeling good. And I want everybody to try, even though you think you know, but you never eat, you know, for yourself, but everybody know about this. For me, I don't know about this good for my bodies until I just say, you know what, I'm gonna eat oatmeal. I don't care if I don't know how to cook or not. I'm gonna try my way. I'm gonna try the Asian way, is to cook like with water and salt. That's it, guys. See that? So easy. Okay, let me cook for 10 minutes. See, almost there. 5 more minutes. So easy to cook. Very quick. To be 10 minutes, nothing, you know. Some people say, oh no, it's 10 minutes too long to cook. No, it's not. They say they want to buy like pre-packed, you know, like how you put in the microwave. I don't feel like that one is natural, so you can go for that if you don't have time. but I have time to do this. I want to cook on my own just the way like this. You know, it's not that hard. 10 minutes is so quick, you know. 5 more minutes to go. See that? Cook it. Sorry. Cook it down just like that. Just like a rice soup. It's so good. I just love this oatmeal right here. And 2 more minutes will be done. 2 more minutes. Okay. Okay guys, 10 minutes already. So I'm gonna go ahead turn it off. Let them cool down. Yep, 10 minutes already. Turn it off. Yep. And when they cool down a little bit, I must put collagen in here to eat and stay younger and make your skin beautiful, you know. Okay guys, this is collagen I use every day. Make you stay younger and make your skin beautiful. I'm gonna put 1 scoop. 1 scoop, okay. So let's go drop in the hot and stir well, just like that. Oh yes. Try to stay young and take care of yourself, you know. That's what I do. Take care of myself. You know, people ask me, how old you are right now? Believe me or not. Can you take a guess how old I am? Take a guess, guy, how old I am. I was born 1960. So, look at me. I didn't look that I'm over 60, right? I look like I'm 45 or 50 to say like that. I make myself happy, but you guys let me know if how old I'm look. Remember, I was born 1960, okay? So, let me know if you think I am look old or young. But I believe take care of myself, and then the way I eating make the skin so beautiful and stay young and feel young also. The age just a number, okay? But that's how you look so important and healthy and feel good and go out and do some. Just enjoy just the way like the way you 25 years old, you know. That's how I feel, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the food in the bowl right now. I just want to let you know this skin right here, no makeup, just a lotion, oily lotion and sunblock. That's it. And I didn't put anything, no lipstick, nothing on, and my face look nice and fresh because I didn't put no makeup. Believe me, you know. That's it. That's the key. People think about put the makeup, you're gonna look beautiful, this and that. I know, I'm agree with that, but in my case, my skin, I don't need no makeup at all. So I don't want to talk too much. Just go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and start put in a pot. Put in a bowl and eat it. Okay, right now everything melting good. Now I'm gonna go ahead put in a bowl. Look at this, 4 cup cooking for 2 people. This cup right here, the major cup, I'm using the you know how they put the hot sauce cup. This cup right here, 2 this cup for me, another 2 cup that mean for your spouse, you know. So let's go eat it. So let's go eat it. Okay guys, time to eat. Taste delicious. So good. I love. So good. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe, so I can show you more and more how to do good food, eat good food, and stay young and then happy, you know. Thank you guys. See you later. Bye. Bye.